Hey guys, welcome back. I'm edcgunner, and today I'm showing you this Victorinox watch. And when it comes to beater watches, you want to go quartz, but if you want something that's built like a tank, then you cannot go wrong with Victorinox watches. So yeah, here's the watch, and this is one of the chronographs, and lately I don't know what particular model this is, but lately they've come up with a lot of these robust watches, most notably Victorinox Inox, which is also one hell of a tank of a watch, but this is no less of it. And what this watch just serves you as an example of Victorinox craftsmanship. And if you are a knife fan, you probably heard and you know about Swiss Army knives. Oh, these are the guys. But if you are more into knives, you will know that they make multi-tools, and the Victorinox Swiss Army knife multi-tool is one of the best around here. You just can see the quality, and I just love this watch. Only thing I don't like about it is the dial, but that's just my personal preference. I think that they could put Victorinox letterings on the dial here, and it would be more completed look. Instead they just put the shield over here. And this is a chronograph. It's a Swiss made watch, entirely Swiss made, so it's a ETA, powered by ETA chronograph, quartz chrono. I don't know what kind of reference is it, but I can tell you it's very nice. You can, the same movement you found in Tissot and other Swiss watches. It has a rotating bezel, very easy to turn. It's all stainless steel, of course, and you can see the side of it. The edging on the bezel is also very nice, and I love this coin edge bezel, or whatever you call it, and you can see the Victorinox logo from the side, and the overall feel of the watch is just superb. Feels like it's a built like tank, and it feels very solidly built, like some of the higher end watches I've handled, and I can tell you it's the same quality. And this is a chronograph, like I said. It's rated to be 200-meter water resistant, as many of their watches, and you can see this case back with their Victorinox logo and shield, and I really like it. It's excellent beater or everyday ADC watch. You cannot go much better with a quartz Swiss made watch than Victorinox. There are other brands, but if you want something that's robust, that's gonna take a beating, you can take Victorinox. There's a clasp, you have a safety here, and then you open it. The bracelet is all solid links, of course, and it's just quality. It's nothing like a entry-level Seiko or something. And Victorinox makes mechanical watches, but this is a quartz, and I think that's appropriate for something of a rugged and great EDC watch, and the watch ultimate beater. No matter if you have high-end collection of Rolexes, this watch can have a place in it. And I don't know what else to say. If you are thinking of buying Victorinox watch, definitely they make some great watches, excellent fit and finish, quality, and when you have it in your hand, you just feel the quality, and you know it's there. It's gonna be reliable, and it's gonna be perfect companion, just like your good old trusty Swiss Army knife.